In this lecture, we will discuss variation of gravitational acceleration with altitude. Let's suppose this is the Earth. So, on the surface of Earth, gravitation acceleration is g m over r square, where g is gravitational constant, mass of Earth, and r is the radius of Earth. We will discuss this relation in previous lecture. So in this lecture I will find the relation between g, and let's suppose we goes upward from Earth. Let's suppose this height is h, and we find here an object and find the relation. We will find the relation for gravitational acceleration at this point. So from here, the distance from center of the Earth to the surface of the Earth is radius, and from surface to this point is h. So the total distance will be r plus h. So gravitational acceleration become at height h from the surface of the Earth is g m over r plus h whole square. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is at gravitational acceleration at height h, we denote by gh. So now to find the relation between gravitational acceleration on the surface of Earth or at height h, we divide equation 1 and equation 2. So divide equation 1 and 2, we get g h over g. Left hand side is divided by left hand side, and right hand side will be divided by right hand side, divided by gm over r square. So gm and gm will be cancelled. So gh over g become r square over r plus h whole square. So if I take common r in denominator, so I get gh over g will be equal to r square over r square, because r is very greater than h. So 1 plus h over r in whole square. So r square will be cancelled. gh over g will be equal to the power become h over r is minus 2. So if I apply binomial theorem in this, so I get gh over g 1 plus minus 2 and h over r plus minus 2 and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 over 2 factorial h over r whole square plus up to so on. Now since if h is very less than r, then h over r will be very minute term, and whole square of h over r is more less value, so we can neglect square power of h over r and higher power. So the equation become 1 minus 2h over r, and square term or all other greater term can be neglected in this case. So gh over g is equal to 1 minus 2h over r. So gh will be equal to 1 minus 2h over r into g. So this is the relation of gravitation acceleration at height h with the gravitational acceleration on the surface of the Earth.